Hey guys, this is Miss Dietzler. So I figured since we weren't going to have our clubs anymore that I would try to do some of our fun stuff with you guys. So today we're doing Glow in the Dark City. Mason, you want to take a guess as to what that means? What are we going to do?
Go in a city and put a load of these all over the place.
Okay, so maybe it has something to do with the styrofoam balls that they're throwing around and the glow sticks. I guess we'll find out. So the big idea is we're going to be building 3D shapes with glow sticks and styrofoam balls, just like Mason so gracefully put. We are going to try to make a giant skyscraper out of glow stick cubes and flick off the lights and see our creations glow. So I have my curtains closed, so we're going to test and see how dark it gets real quick and see how it looks. Ooh, that's not bad. What do you think?
Oh,
yeah! All right, experiment 1, good to go. So, we have our styrofoam balls, we have our glow sticks, and I've got my helpers here. All right. So, Mason, got a question for you. What do you call a flat shape with straight sides and sharp corners? It's 2D, it's got straight sides and sharp corners.
Triangle?
Good guess. A triangle is an example. Can you think of more?
Pizza?
Pizza? No, not pizza. So squares, triangles, circles, any kind of flat shape with sides and angles is a polygon. And poly means many.
Pizza's just like a triangle.
Now, what do we call it when it's 3D? You know?
No, I don't know.
No, it's called a polyhedron, or polyhedron.
Oh.
And so we're going to make some giant polyhedrons that glow in the dark. So we got our glow sticks all glowing. You can't tell right now because the light's on, but you guys will see when we turn the lights off. So, Mason,
Yeah.
what shape can we make with equal edges, angles, and faces?
I don't know.
So what shape has equal sides and equal angles?
Triangle?
A special kind of triangles do, but what has 4 equal sides and 4 equal angles?
Square?
Good. Okay, now what happens if we put all those squares and we connect them and make a 3D shape? What's that called?
Rectangle?
Like an ice cube. A cube. So maybe we can start by trying to make a cube. This wonderful activity sheet has some examples of different shapes that we can make. They're called platonic solids. There are only 5. So we've got this tetrahedron, is the triangle one, the hexahedron, the octahedron, the dodecahedron, and the isosahedron. 20 faces. Goodness gracious. We're not making that today. So, Mason, I want to see if you can make a cube. Let's see if we can make a cube, and then we'll turn off the lights and see how it looks. So, remember how we make those gigantic houses?
Big one.
That's a square. We gotta make a cube. It has to be
That's
cubes,
not a cube.
and you're gonna use these.
That is
To
like
help
a cube.
you.
Squares are cubes.
A cube has square sides. Yes. Remember how we
It's a
make our
square
giant
shape.
house?
Huh?
Remember how we make our house?
No.
Or Riley, can I have some of those?
Ooh, look!
Yep, we're going to use our styrofoam balls
Ooh!
and our glue sticks to try to make a cube.
Hey, look, I did it!
You did it.
A lollipop.
Now, let's try to make a cube.
Okay.
So I have one side done, but how many more sides do you think I'm going to need? You want to take a guess as to how many more sides I might need?
50.
50 sides? Oh, I don't know if I'm going to need that many.
4.
4 more sides?
Yeah.
All right, so let's see. I made my square base, and I'm sticking one stick in each corner, and then I'm going to try to connect those to make a cube.
This is way harder than I thought it was.
It's not going to be easy.
Pizza.
Pizza. There are styrofoam balls all over
That
this
looks like
room
pizza?
that look like pizza, sure.
Oh, nice.
Alright, so I'm almost finished with my cube, and we're going to count how many sides and how many corners my cube has once I'm done.
I like pizza.
I know you like pizza. I'm glad you like pizza. You know you're eating something.
I'm not eating anything.
Thank you, Mason. Alright, so I've made my cube. Mason has a great base going so far. So let's count how many sides it has. Let's count how many sides it has, Mason. You want to count with me? Riley, you want to count with us?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the very bottom makes 6.
6,
So there's 6 sides.
7,
How many corners are there?
4.
Close. How many styrofoam balls do I have? Those are my corners.
8.
8 corners. And now, here's a tricky question. How many edges do we have?
8.
Good guess. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. Yes. All right. So I'm going to turn off the light for just a second to see if we can see our cube glow in the dark. You ready, Mason?
Mine is bad.
All right. Let's see. Ooh, that
It
looks
could be
really
hickory
cool.
rock.
All right, let's keep going and see what we need to
Whoa.
do next. So there's one cube. All right. So our directions say,
Yeah.
why do you think a cube is called a hexahedron?
I don't know.
Fair enough. Hexa is Greek for 6. And 6, or hedron, means face or surface. So hexa is 6, hedron means faces. So a cube has 6 faces or 6 sides, which is where hexahedron comes from. What is a face of the cube? Riley, don't make a mess. All right. So we made our cube. The goal now is to try and make a really big tower with a bunch of cubes.
Okay.
So
Well, I'm not doing it because I'm really bad.
we're going to do it together.
I'm really bad.
So let's see if we can connect them and build a tower. It doesn't have to be a big tower. So,
I have my
Mason,
yes.
you want to connect yours to mine and try to make it bigger?
No, mine fell apart. So.
That's okay.
Mine fell apart. Oh.
It's okay. I'm helping. We're doing it together.
Come on. Do something.
You gotta make sure you stick the glow stick in the styrofoam ball far
Stop bending.
enough. They're supposed to bend.
Stop shaking. Hey, look.
And we have a second cube attached, and Mason is working on the third cube.
Because.
And I don't think we're gonna keep building, just because I don't want to bore you guys.
Hey, I'm fine.
We'll put this to the side, and then we'll add a picture at the end of our final one. But before we finish, I want to try and build something else. So we're going to finish up our third cube, and then we're going to try to build one more thing, and then we're going to end the video there. And then my challenge for you guys is what kind of things can you use at home to build something similar? Let's turn off the lights and see how it looks.
I
You
want
gonna turn
to.
it
I
on?
want to do.
Okay.
Whoa!
It looks
Yeah!
good. It looks awesome.
My head's in the wet.
Your head is in the way. So, can you turn the light back on, Bob? Thank you.
Whoopsies.
So now the next thing we're going to try to do is we are going to try to build a pyramid. Let's see if we can build a pyramid, yes.
Yeah, that's definitely, yeah.
So we're going to try to build this red shape right here, a tetrahedron. And it's called tetrahedron because tetra means 4, hedron means faces. So tetrahedron, 4 faces or 4 sides. So it looks like we have to start with a triangle on the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So we're going to have our triangle on the bottom. It's not going to be easy. Yep.
And I know that you did tell me that.
And then, so there's our triangle base. And now we need to get our other sides and combine them to a point at the top.
Wait for me.
And there is a tetrahedron. I'm going to turn the light off real quick, okay?
Hey! Ooh! I can't. Hey, look at my lollipop is glowing.
All right. I hope you guys enjoyed that and have
If you
a
did
wonderful
smash
day.
that like button.
Thank you, Mason. Thank you, Riley. Bye.